Hey everybody, Gwen here from AICC. Wanted to quickly show you a demo of ElevenLabs Generative Voice AI. This came in so handy for me recently. I was recording or actually putting together a presentation for a group, and I used ElevenLabs to go through my talk. It essentially gave me my presentation back to me live with a vocal. I essentially just picked an AI voice. And what that did was allowed me to actually hear my presentation before I gave it so that I could trim it. If anything sounded rough or weird, I was able to go in and make those changes. And it also allowed me to determine the actual length of my talk. And I discovered that my talk was just a little long, so I was able to trim it down and get it to just the right amount of time so that I had room at the beginning for introduction and room at the end for Q&A in the allotted amount of time. So just so you understand how this works, I'm going to take you through quickly. So what's really fun is that you can see here on ElevenLabs website that you can actually click on, you can pick a language that you can use to convert text to speech. Obviously, I'm going to pick English.
We lost because we told ourselves we lost.
Now you can pick different voices if you want. So that was the Daniel voice. They have a number of different voices in here. So for example, if you want a female voice.
We lost because we told ourselves we lost.
There's Nicole. I actually think I chose Grace for mine.
We lost because we told ourselves we lost.
So there you go. There's a few different voices. What's really cool is that you can get started using ElevenLabs for free. So let's just go in. And when you sign up, you'll go through a little mini questionnaire. You can sign up with your email, or you can just use Google. At this point, you can actually take speech to speech. So if you actually have an audio recording that you want to clean up and have done with generative voice, you can generative AI voice, you can do that. But for my purposes, I wanted to do text to speech. So I'm going to grab just a little bit, a project I'm working on, and pop it in here. And then you can essentially get a sense of what this is like. So I'm just grabbing a few paragraphs from a project. And let's see. I'm going to go with Matilda. And there are also some settings you can go in here. You can pick low to high similarity. You can do more stable. Increasing the stability actually makes the voice a bit more consistent if you need to regenerate, but it can also make it sound a bit monotone. So again, it's important if you're actually going to be using this recording or this vocal track for something you're actually going to be posting, it might be better to use more variable versus more stable. If, again, you're just using it like I did for my use case, just plugging in some text to hear it read back to you so that you understand what it sounds like to, the human ear, then you might want to go with more stable. And here it's going to generate, and it takes it.
Imagine standing atop a towering mountain, the summit of your professional journey. From this vantage point, you see not just the path you've traveled, but also the sprawling vistas of possibility that lie ahead. For those of us who journey through the professional world as introverts, this peak represents a unique conquest, a testament to the quiet power that propels us forward. ###. Embracing the introvert's path, my venture into the bustling world of business.
So that gives you an idea about what this is like. Pretty cool, huh? So again, you can take what's recorded. There's a way to download it here over on the right-hand side. So if you actually need something recorded for whatever purposes, for promotional purposes, you want to upload something, you have a podcast and you don't want to use your own voice, or you have a video sales letter that you just want narrated and you want a professional sounding kind of AI generated effect, you can plug your video sales letter script in here and have it essentially narrate and just plug that in to your video editor. However you want to use this, there are so many different use cases. So at any rate, that is a great introduction to ElevenLabs and text to speak generative AI.